Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Humix Waterproof 360 case, all-around protection, water-proof, dust-proof case. Fully protects your iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. As you can see, my phone is completely encased inside of this. It has a back cover, it has a front cover, all the sides are covered. Makes it fully waterproof. So if you want waterproof protection, dustproof protection, in addition to your drop protection, then which sometimes you're in a situation where you need that waterproof protection, then this is the case for you. Again, it's by Humix. They make it for the iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro. I have it on my Pro Max right now, and you can see it's clear in the back. You can see the phone through the case on the back, and you've got these nice textured sides, so allow to make it nice and grippy so it doesn't slide out of your hands when you're holding it. You've got covers over your volume rockers. On the action button, that's kind of, it's hard to see, but there is like a little cover over that slot that keeps water out and makes that waterproof as well. Over on the side, you've got your power button that is also fully covered. And these are all very tactile feel, easy to find those buttons even without looking. Really work great. And you can see on the bottom here, this is really cool. So this little thing right here, it flips. So it flips there to make it the most waterproof and protect your microphone. Because when you're underwater, if you're going to have it in water, you're not going to be using your mic. And then the speaker, here and here, the speakers have those same covers as the action button, but they do allow the sound to come through without any issue. And then if you're going to make a phone call with this, you just flip that over so that it opens up the mic button, which is great. Then you also have this really strong USB protector, and you can see that. When you flip it out, you could plug your USB-C charger in there without any issue at all. But when you put it in there, it really make sure that it is fully waterproof. And you've got your cutouts for the speaker, and again, that speaker does have a little protective film over it as well. Now this is IP68 waterproof. What does that mean? You can have it up into around 6 feet of water for around an hour without any issues. That is what it is rated for. Now it's easy to put this on. As you can see, you just drop your phone down inside the front part, and then the back cover goes on, and you just have to go all the way around the border and snap it in so that it's completely snapped into place. Now when you need to take it off, there is a little notch right here on this side that allows you to get in there to take it off. Because once it's on, obviously you want it to be waterproof. It clicks on completely and complete coverage. And you can see your cameras are completely covered, but they see through there. That's a very clear protective covering there so that they work just the same. So you can do underwater photography, videography, all that good stuff without any issues at all. This works with phone calls. You can hear the person without any issues, and they can hear you. Again, when you're making a phone call, you flip it open so that you have the mic, and there's a little, I don't know if you can see a little mic symbol that lets you know when you have it over here, the mic is available, and then there's a mic symbol on there to let you know that. And yeah, so that is how it works. The touchscreen works just fine, so no issues at all with the touchscreen. Works great. Again, this is a cover. This is a specific use case cover. I wouldn't say if you are not generally going to need waterproofness on your phone, this is not a cover you're going to use. This is a cover that I would put on my phone if I'm going to be taking a trip to the beach or be out on a boat and I want to be using my phone, but I want to make sure that it's protected. Maybe I want to get some underwater photography, videography. Then that to me is when you would use this case in order to get that waterproofness. It's definitely adds, it's not bulky, but it adds a little bit of thickness because, in order to be waterproof, it's got to be a little bit thicker because these latch into each other, but not extremely bulky. I mean, I have small hands and I'm able to hold it and it sits in my hand without any issue at all. And this is a big phone, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Although this case, like I said, is available also for the 15 Pro. But it also gives you 14-foot military drop protection, so you've got that nice shockproof protection, reinforced corners and everything. So your phone is protected in addition to being waterproof and dustproof. So that's why you get this case, is for those extra bonus features if you're going to be in a situation where you need that. Again, it is by Humix for the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. Really excellent case, definitely one I would recommend. That's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. And that is going to be it. Until next time, so be safe and be happy.